App won't start because of the Microsoft Data SQL Client Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. To begin the walkthrough for Microsoft Data SQL Client Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Microsoft Data SQL Client Library, the modern .NET assembly for SQL Server connectivity. It manages the localized TCP IP handshake and T-SQL command execution. If corrupted, all modern .NET applications using SQL Server, like specialized ERP tools, will fail to connect, reporting provider SQL client not found. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Reinstalling Microsoft.NET is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Data SQL Client Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Remember that Microsoft Data SQL Client Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If registry clutter or Microsoft Data SQL Client Library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Microsoft Data SQL Client Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.